Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. Today we're actually doing another top 5. Today we're doing Siemens Pyrotronics. Coming in at our 5th spot is actually the Siemens detector, the DI3. Now this is an ion detector. It works with a lot of different panels for Siemens. If you have questions about this is our 5th best-selling item here at ISA as far as Siemens Pyrotronics parts. The number 4 on our list is actually another Siemens detector. This is an OP121. This is a conventional head. So basically it comes just like that for brand new. It's our 4th best-selling device here at ISA. Coming in at number 3 is the FP11. I'm a little bit surprised this one wasn't a little bit higher on our list, but it is one of the more popular detectors. This is actually an intelligent detector. You set the address with the actual DPU handheld programmer. So again, this is the number 3 best-selling device here at ISA. Coming in at number 2 on our Siemens countdown for the top-selling devices is the HFP11. I'm actually kind of surprised that this one wasn't number 1. But then again, once you see what number 1 is, you'll kind of figure out why it was the top-selling device. So this one here is another intelligent smoke detector. It's programmed through the DPU handheld programmer just like the FP11. It's used for a couple of different Siemens fire alarm panels. So coming in at number 1, kind of no shock, it's actually the base to both the FP11 and the HFP11. It's the DB11. Essentially, this is a standard base. It's just basically something that helps mount a lot of the different Siemens detectors up. So it's no surprise that this came in number 1 as the top-selling Siemens peripheral device here at ISA. If you have questions or need specific items for Siemens Pyrotronics, we can help you out. Also keep in mind, whenever you're ordering those, if you don't have a DPU handheld programmer, you'll need us to actually sit there and set the address before we ship those out. We can help you out either way, whether selling you a DPU programmer or just having us to set the address for you. It is $25 per device, so if you have questions about what we can help you out with as far as Siemens parts and Siemens service work that you need to have done, let us know. This is Nick Dumar, and we'll talk to you again soon.